Ever wondered if any moon in our solar system has an atmosphere? You're about to find out. Moons, those celestial bodies orbiting planets, are more than just beautiful night sky ornaments. They are fascinating worlds with unique properties and features that can eclipse even their parent planets in terms of intrigue. As we journey through the solar system, we'll be counting down from the 10th to the first most captivating moon. Let's kick off with the 10th moon on our list, Titan. Not just any ordinary moon, Titan is the largest moon of Saturn and the second largest in our solar system, but what sets it apart is a feature that is rare among moons. An atmosphere, and not just any atmosphere, mind you. Titan's atmosphere is denser than Earth's. Yes, you heard that right. This moon, about 1.5 billion kilometers away from us, has an atmosphere so dense it's actually 1.5 times the pressure of Earth's atmosphere at sea level. That's not something you'd expect from a moon, is it? But Titan's uniqueness doesn't stop there. Unlike the mostly barren moonscape we're familiar with, Titan boasts a dynamic Earth-like landscape with weather patterns and surface features that include mountains, dunes, and even liquid methane lakes. These lakes, the only stable bodies of surface liquid found off Earth, contribute to a methane cycle on Titan, similar to the water cycle on Earth. Rain from clouds of methane and ethane fall onto the surface, filling lakes that in turn create rivers and channels. However, don't start packing your bags just yet. Despite its Earth-like attributes, Titan's surface temperature hovers around a chilly -180 degrees Celsius. This moon, a world so similar yet so different from our own, offers a tantalizing glimpse into the diversity that exists within our solar system. We have barely scratched the surface of what Titan and other moons have to offer. With its thick atmosphere and liquid methane lakes, Titan remains a world full of mysteries. From a moon with an atmosphere to a moon with active volcanoes, meet Io, the 9th most fascinating moon. Orbiting the gas giant Jupiter, Io is a celestial body like no other. Unlike our own moon, Io is teeming with volcanic activity, making it the most geologically active object in our solar system. Imagine standing on Io's surface. Every so often, the ground beneath your feet would shake as molten rock bursts from the moon's surface, painting the sky with brilliant plumes of sulfur and sulfur dioxide. These dramatic eruptions can reach heights of up to 300 kilometers. That's roughly twice the size of Mount Everest. What makes Io so unique, you might ask? Well, it's all about location. Io's volcanic activity is due to the intense gravitational pull from Jupiter and its neighboring moons. This gravitational tug-of-war generates heat within Io's interior, causing the moon's surface to heave, split, and erupt. But don't be fooled by Io's fiery demeanor. This moon is no hellish wasteland. In fact, the constant reshaping of its surface by volcanic activity makes Io a dynamic and ever-changing place. It's like watching an artist constantly revising their canvas, with each eruption adding a new layer of complexity. So if you're ever feeling stagnant, just remember Io. It's a testament to the fact that change, while sometimes explosive, can result in incredible beauty. Its constant volcanic activity makes Io a dynamic and ever-changing moon. The 8th most fascinating moon is a familiar face, our very own moon. Its surface, speckled with a myriad of impact craters, stands as a testament to the cosmic ballet that's been going on for billions of years. These craters have been created by asteroids and comets that have collided with the moon, leaving behind these beautiful, albeit violent, reminders of our universe's tumultuous past. It's not just the craters that make our moon fascinating, its synchronous rotation, a result of gravitational interaction with Earth, means that we only ever see one side of it. This phenomenon, known as tidal locking, is quite common among moons in our solar system, but it's our moon's close proximity that makes it all the more special. The moon is also crucial to life on Earth in ways we often overlook. It stabilizes our planet's wobble, ensuring a relatively stable climate over geological timescales. Its gravitational pull is responsible for the ebb and flow of tides, shaping the rhythm of life for countless species across our blue planet. And yet, despite being our closest celestial neighbor, there is still so much we don't know about the moon. We continue to unravel its mysteries, from its enigmatic dark side to the tantalizing possibility of water ice in its polar craters. As the only celestial body beyond Earth that humans have stepped foot on, our moon holds a special place in our hearts and minds. The 7th spot goes to a moon that resembles the Death Star from Star Wars. Meet Mimas. As we journey through our solar system, our next stop is Mimas, one of the 46 moons of Saturn. This icy celestial body is most famous for its gigantic crater, Herschel, named after the astronomer who discovered Mimas in the late 18th century. This crater stretches a staggering 88 miles across and is deep enough to engulf Mount Everest with room to spare. The resemblance of Mimas to the Death Star, the iconic weapon of the Star Wars franchise, is uncanny. The massive Herschel crater mirrors the super laser focus lens of the fictional space station, giving Mimas its distinctive, almost eerie appearance. But Mimas is more than just a pretty face in our cosmic backyard. Its low density suggests that it's mostly composed of water ice, a resource that could prove vital in future space exploration. It's a moon with a story to tell, a testament to the violent past of our solar system. Despite its small size, it's only about 245 miles in diameter. Mimas plays a significant role in shaping Saturn's rings. Its gravitational influence helps create what's known as the Cassini division, a wide gap in the rings of Saturn. So while it may look like a harbinger of intergalactic destruction, Mimas is actually a fascinating and important part of our solar system. With its distinctive look, Mimas is a moon that's hard to forget. Imagine a moon that constantly renews its surface. That's Europa, our sixth most fascinating moon. Nestled in the celestial cradle of Jupiter's gravitational field, Europa presents a spectacle of mystery and potential. Its surface, unlike anything we see on our own moon, is an ever-changing landscape of ice. Europa's surface isn't just ice, though, it's a crust of water ice. Picture a world enveloped in a shell of frozen water, crisscrossed with dark streaks, and you've got a pretty good image of Europa. This icy surface is believed to be tens of kilometers thick, floating on a subsurface ocean. The exciting part is that this icy surface is constantly being renewed. It's almost like Europa is getting a facelift every now and then. The moon's intense geological activity, driven by the tidal forces from Jupiter's gravity, results in the surface ice breaking and shifting, creating new landscapes and burying the old ones. But the star of the show isn't what's on the surface, it's what lies beneath. Scientists think that beneath this icy surface is a vast salty ocean, over twice the volume of all of Earth's oceans combined. That's a lot of water, and where there's water, there's the potential for life. With its icy surface and potential ocean, Europa is a tantalizing target in the search for extraterrestrial life. So next time you look up at the night sky, spare a thought for the icy moon with a fresh face and the secrets it might hold beneath its icy exterior. A moon with two dramatically different faces, introducing our fifth most fascinating moon, Iapetus. This intriguing celestial body has been turning heads since its discovery back in the 17th century. Orbiting Saturn, Iapetus is a moon of stark contrasts. It's as if it were a cosmic yin and yang, with one half as dark as coal and the other as bright as freshly fallen snow. This two-tone coloration isn't just for show, it's a tantalizing clue to the moon's history and possibly its interior makeup. Scientists believe the dark region, known as Cassini Regio, is coated in a thin layer of dark material that has fallen from space, while the brighter regions are made up of water ice. But the mysteries of Iapetus don't stop at its surface. This moon also boasts a peculiar equatorial ridge, a mountain range that circles the moon's equator, standing as tall as Mount Everest in places. Imagine, a ridge that could be seen as a colossal cosmic belt spanning the entire moon. This ridge, like Iapetus's two-tone coloration, is a unique feature in our solar system. Theories abound as to its formation, from ancient ring material falling onto the moon to tectonic activity within Iapetus itself. Iapetus, Saturn's two-faced moon, is a celestial body that continues to baffle and fascinate scientists. Its mysterious two-tone coloration and ridge make Iapetus a moon like no other. Geysers on a moon? Yes, you heard it right. Meet Enceladus, our fourth most fascinating moon. This small, icy moon orbits Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. Enceladus is a unique celestial body in that it is home to geysers, which are more commonly associated with Earth. But these are not your average geysers. Enceladus's geysers spew water vapor and ice particles from an underground ocean out into space, creating a brilliant plume that extends hundreds of miles above the moon's surface. These geysers are not just fascinating to look at, they also hold clues to what lies beneath Enceladus's icy surface. The water vapor and ice particles that are ejected provide evidence of a subsurface ocean, which scientists believe could potentially harbor life. This subsurface ocean is believed to be heated by the gravitational pull of Saturn, which causes the ice to melt and form an ocean. This heat could also provide the necessary conditions for life to exist. What makes Enceladus even more intriguing is the composition of the water vapor being ejected. It contains organic compounds, which are the building blocks of life. This has led scientists to speculate that Enceladus could potentially be home to microbial life. Its active geysers make Enceladus a fascinating world and another potential habitat for life. The title for the largest moon in our solar system goes to Ganymede. It's our third most fascinating moon. Now, let's talk about size. Ganymede, a moon of Jupiter, is a giant. It's larger than the planet Mercury and could easily be classified as a planet if it were orbiting the Sun rather than Jupiter. It has a diameter of roughly 5,264 kilometers. That's about 40% larger than our own moon. But Ganymede isn't just impressive for its size. A key feature that sets this moon apart is its unique magnetic field. It's the only moon in the solar system known to have one. This magnetic field is believed to be created by the convection of the moon's liquid iron core. The magnetic field creates two stunningly beautiful auroral ovals on the moon's surface. These ovals shimmer and glow due to the particles in Ganymede's thin atmosphere interacting with Jupiter's magnetic field. The spectacle is a cosmic light show that is truly a sight to behold. Ganymede's magnetic field also indicates the presence of a subsurface ocean. This ocean, believed to be 100 kilometers deep, contains more water than all of Earth's water combined. From being the largest moon to having its own magnetic field and possibly an ocean teeming with water, Ganymede has many fascinating features that make it stand out in our solar system. Being the only moon with its own magnetic field, Ganymede is truly unique. A moon where life might exist? Yes, it's possible on our second most fascinating moon, Triton. Triton, the largest moon of Neptune, is a tantalizing world of mystery, one that might hold more than meets the eye. With an icy surface that's the coldest known place in our solar system and geysers that jet into space, this moon is anything but average. Now, you might be wondering, how can life exist in such chilly conditions? Well, beneath Triton's icy crust, scientists believe there could be a subsurface ocean kept warm by the gravitational pull of its parent planet, Neptune. This ocean could potentially provide the necessary ingredients for life as we know it. But what about those geysers? Triton's geysers spew out nitrogen gas and dark dust particles miles into space. This intriguing phenomenon suggests that there's some form of heat at work beneath the surface. Could this heat also contribute to a habitable environment below the frosty exterior? Although Triton is far from the sun and therefore receives less light and heat, it's the combination of potential subsurface oceans and geothermic activity that makes scientists believe in the possibility of life here. The thought of life existing in such harsh conditions truly expands our understanding of where life can thrive. With its geysers and potential for life, Triton is a moon that keeps us dreaming about the possibilities. And now, for the most fascinating moon in our solar system. Drumroll, please. It's Callisto. In the grand cosmic ballet that is our solar system, one moon stands out from the crowd. Callisto, the second largest of Jupiter's moons, is a celestial body that has been the subject of much intrigue and speculation. Its surface is heavily cratered, a testament to the moon's storied past. The scars on its icy surface bear witness to countless meteorite impacts over the eons, making it one of the oldest and most heavily cratered surfaces in our solar system. But don't let its rugged exterior fool you. Callisto is far from a desolate, lifeless rock. Beneath its cratered surface, scientists believe that Callisto may harbor a subsurface ocean. Yes, you heard it right. An ocean. Just imagine, water existing in a place so far from our home planet. This tantalizing possibility has led researchers to wonder, could Callisto support life? This potential for life, combined with its ancient surface, makes Callisto not just a fascinating moon, but a beacon of hope in our search for extraterrestrial life. It's a reminder that in the vast expanse of space, even the most inhospitable environments can hold the potential for life. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, spare a thought for Callisto. Its ancient surface and potential for life make Callisto the most fascinating moon in our solar system. As we delve into the mysteries of the cosmos, we hope you're enjoying the celestial ride as much as we are. If you've learned something new from our journey to Callisto or any other moon we've visited, then please give this video a like. Your support helps us bring the wonders of the universe to your screens. If you have any thoughts or opinions about our interstellar adventures, we'd love to hear them. Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation. We're all explorers here after all. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. That way you won't miss out on any future explorations. Oh, and one more thing. If you think your friends and family would enjoy this cosmic journey, don't hesitate to share this video with them. After all, the universe is a big place and it's always more fun to explore it together. Until next time, keep looking up.